Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and this is a video for Dell users. If you have a Dell PC and it actually crashes with blue screen of death or black screen of death every now and then, and very often, some users are reporting up to every 15-20 minutes while using the PC. Well, it's not a Windows problem. It is a Dell problem. It seems that Dell has pushed a version of their support assist, and that everybody's that's installed it pretty much has started to have crashes going on every 15, 30 minutes, 1 hour. And a lot of people are going crazy. Of course, the majority are blaming Microsoft. That's what I always say. It's easy to blame Microsoft, but in this case, Microsoft has nothing to do with it. So the only way that some users have said that they, were able to get a stable PC again was to go into the programs and find the Dell Support Assist software and uninstall all of it. And they said that after they uninstalled it and reboot the PC, everything is fine and they don't have any crashes anymore. So if you're stuck with that type of problem, it is for now probably the best thing to do. Just remove the Support Assist software from your Dell computer. And if you ever want to reinstall it, just wait until they update it again at some point, and you can always go to the Dell website and reinstall the Support Assist software when there's a new version that has the bug fixed. So this is clearly something that's happening with some update. I've seen this as a tech guy so many times. I remember a series of blue screens that were happening with HP Assistant back 20 years ago when I was doing my tech jobs. And it was crazy. It's like so many HP PCs were crashing, and people were like, well, it's Windows, it's normal. No, it's not. Your PC shouldn't crash. And the HP Assistant was the problem. You just uninstalled it, and it was fine. So this is the same thing. It's the Dell Assistant that is the culprit. So if you have that problem, remove the Dell Support Assistant, and it will be back to normal. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.